everyone, it's Arsam again. Welcome back to AVC. In the last video, we talked about how AI and language are deeply connected. But now let's go one step further. People keep asking me, will AI ever replace human language? The short answer is no, and the long answer is not even close. Because language isn't just a code, it's a mirror of who we are. When we speak, we don't only pass information, we pass emotion, humor, irony, culture, and memories. Every tone, every pause, every carries a human fingerprint. AI can copy these patterns beautifully, but it doesn't feel them. It doesn't laugh at your joke, get offended, or feel inspired. It simply calculates what's likely to sound right. Here's a fun fact. The average adult speaks around 16,000 words a day, but the number of possible sentences we can create is infinite. It simply calculates what's likely to sound right. That's the real power of human language, their flexibility, creativity, imagination. AI doesn't think of new meanings, it rearranges old ones. So should we be worried? Not really. We should be amazed. Because AI doesn't replace language, it proves how incredible language already is. So here's something to remember. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to work with us. It's not a rival. Every great invention in history began with one question: can we make life better? Let's not fear it, let's learn from it. Let's welcome this change, embrace this opportunity, and walk side by side with technology.